Hey guys, it is the 18th of December and I have this warded lock. Let's see if we can get that open. Try this one first. I don't know if that's the right one, but we'll see. It was. Okay, let's see if we can get it out again. Yeah, we probably need to leave the keys on there. Yeah. Just leave it open so I can take the keys off. Okay, let's get it on the tree. I have actually thought about that the last log I'm gonna pick, so the log on the 24th of December from now on will be next year's star instead of just finding one from the collection or something. So I'm thinking that that's how I'm gonna do from now on. That also means that the 24th log in the series won't be in the giveaway, but at least it will be a star next year. Don't know what it's gonna be though. Anyway, that was 18 logs in the tree. 7 more to go. No, not 7. I thought something was wrong there. 6 more to go. Yeah. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember, skill always beats luck, and have a great day.